Hello students, welcome to Biozone classes and I am Dr. Deepa Dahake. Today discussing about the expected cutoff for government BAMS and BHMS college from Kerala state. When we come towards the Kerala regarding Ayush counseling of BAMS and BHMS, so we all are knowing Ayurveda and Pancharatna, one of the ancient science in Kerala, and it is very well known not only in India but even the outside of India. So let's begin with the today's session. Before coming towards the expected cutoff for BAMS and BHMS college, I request all the viewers kindly subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos, and kindly press the bell icon for the new notification regarding the counseling procedure as well as for the another exams related to biology. Now when we discuss about the expected cutoff, so first we come towards some of the most important and best colleges of Ayurveda in Kerala. The first is Government Ayurveda College in Ernakulam. Second, the Government Ayurveda College of Kannur. The third is, again this is one of the best Ayurveda college, that Government Ayurveda College in Thiruvananthapuram. And the fourth, VPSV Ayurveda College, Kottakkal, Mallampur district में locate है. And the fifth, Vidya Ratnam Ayurveda College, Oilur. So these are the some best colleges of Ayurveda, and in addition to that a number of a very long list for the Ayurveda and BHMS college in Kerala as one of the ancient science in Kerala this is, and the most of the peoples are using this treatment day to day life for the normal cures and practices. Now we come towards the cutoff for first BAMS and then we discuss about the cutoff of BHMS. We discuss the cutoff for BAMS colleges and for BHMS colleges. Whatever cutoff today we discuss here, this is a general prediction and expected cutoff that I find out on the basis of last few years results of the Ayush government for the Kerala state. And now BAMS cutoff first we discuss here. The cutoff for general category, again 4 categories as usually I discuss in my all the sessions for the different state, that the general or unreserved category, OBC category or other backward classes, then the ST and ST. So for general category cutoff this year may be expected for 450 plus. If now we come towards the other backward classes as such no difference is there, hardly 5 to 10 marks are differ in between the general and OBC. So 440 we expect that the 440 for the OBC category expected cutoff in BAMS colleges. And again you remember again and again this is a generalized prediction. Suppose the last year maybe cutoff is vary, so it is not necessary the similar cutoff will be going in this year also, because one another criteria this year works that the number of students instead of opting the BAMS and BHMS they are going towards the drop, because the reason is that only 6 months are there for your next NEET exam. So instead of opting the BAMS and BHMS college this year, most of the students thinking for one again drop for the 6 month and the make attempt in NEET 2021 after the 6 and 7 months. Now the SC category is generally we come towards SC category and the cutoff is 400 plus for BAMS, and the ST category is somewhat low. So but here also we appear the more cutoff than the other state, that is 360 plus. Now when we come towards the BHMS cutoff, so BHMS cutoff as usually we predict and every year we observe also that somewhat low from the BAMS and 20 marks nearly low. So here BHMS 430 plus Secondly, when we come towards the OBC, so for OBC you remember 420 or 415 also you can understand that the 415 or 420 is a cutoff for the BHMS, and this cutoff is for the state quota 85%. For all India quota 15%, all India quota I already discussed that cutoff. So this is only the cutoff for the Kerala state, and that is for 85%. Now we come towards the SC category for the BHMS. So 380 plus may be cutoff this year expected, and for ST category the cutoff ranges between 320 to 300 plus. So this is the generalized prediction, and again stay connected with Biozone classes. And if you are preparing for other exams related to biology, if you are preparing for NEET 2021, NEET 2022, so stay connected with the channel, because every day in English medium as well as in Hindi medium regularly I upload the subject wise videos strictly according to NCERT syllabus. So for more updates and more notifications, stay connected with channel, and again kindly subscribe the channel, like my videos and share my videos.